Welcome to Old Squishy's Garden, where I watch the court so you don't have to. I just wanted to add a brief message to thank each and every one of you that's helped us grow the channel as incredibly fast as we have. 5K in 3 or 4 months. Amazing. Again, thanks to each and every one of you. Love y'all. Appreciate the support. Take care.
Time court calls number 2019-3244 and 6278. Tony Orozco. Announcement of council, please.
David Nunez for the state, Your Honor. State is ready.
And Daniel Avila for Mr. Orozco, Judge.
Mr. Avila, he has an active warrant, is what my docket said. You know that?
I saw that. I saw that, Your Honor.
Okay, he's got an active warrant, so I guess, did you talk to him recently? Have you talked to him?
I do. I filed a motion to cut me loose, Your Honor. This is the case, Judge, where we had court last month sometime. He was tardy.
Shirtless?
You guys got into it.
Was this the shirtless guy? The guy without the shirt?
No, Your Honor.
No, Judge, no, he's not the one.
You gave him a 6-day commitment, and he said straight up, "I'm not going to do that."
Oh, I remember.
Straight up, I'm not gonna turn myself in.
I remember that.
I called him after that. I said, "Hey, listen, just take care of it. Do what you got to do."
Yeah, like you did with Ms. Martinez, and I appreciate that.
Right. He gave me the same answer. I'm not gonna do it.
Okay.
I thought he would eventually come around. He hasn't. We made contact with him yesterday or this morning.
Okay.
Please show up to court. He hasn't. I'm asking this court, maybe we can set it for a hearing on withdrawal.
Okay, let's do that.
I think our communication has broken down.
It has deteriorated. I think so too. Okay, and this man needs a little bit of jail therapy, I think. Okay, set this up for a motion to withdraw, whenever we can, Becky, next week on a Thursday or Wednesday next week or the following week. I mean, if he gets arrested, okay. Go ahead and file your motion on that, Mr. Avelar. Thank you, sir. Did you have another one, Mr. Avelar?
I don't, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
You tried. 1 out of 2 ain't bad. You got Ms. Martinez in, and I thank you for that.
Yes, ma'am.
This woman did over and above and beyond what I thought she was going to do, which was turn herself in, get the device, do all of that like in 2 seconds, which she should have done in the first place.
Right.
But
Right.
anyway.
Tomorrow we're gonna have a case where somebody just completely went like this to you. You'll hear it tomorrow.
Oh my!
You'll hear it tomorrow. You're gonna hear it.
They threw the finger to the court stories.
Like this. Right. That one's gonna be fun tomorrow, Your Honor.
Thank you for the warning, Mr. Avelar.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
The next one is Tony Orozco. This is on a motion to withdraw. Do we need to get on the record on this one, Mr. Avelar?
Please, Your Honor.
Okay, at this time.
Please, Your Honor.
Okay, sir. 2019-3244 and 6278. Tony Orozco. Announcement of council, please.
David Nunez for the state, Your Honor. State is ready.
And Daniel Avelar for Tony Orozco, Judge.
Okay,
Who
Mr.
I think I see on.
Oh, you do see him? Mr.
I
Orozco?
think he's present. Yes. I see.
Yeah, he's on mute.
Yeah, there he is. Mr. Orozco, can you talk to me, sir? Mr. Orozco?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Orozco, how are you today?
Yes. Fine.
I'm sorry?
And yourself?
I'm
I
good.
said finding yourself?
I'm good. Was this the shirtless guy from previous? He doesn't have a shirt on. Why don't you have a shirt on, Mr.
I'm
Orozco?
sorry?
Why don't you have a shirt on?
Because I'm getting dressed for right now for work in the middle of this. I just got getting dressed.
Would you show up like that in court, sir? To court?
I'm sorry?
Would you show up the way?
No, it wouldn't be on my phone if I showed up in court. And my name just came up right now, so I was getting dressed for work. I'm sorry.
Where do you work, sir?
Huh? I work at a gas station, Valero's.
Okay, sir, I want you to shut your screen. I want you to put a shirt on and come back. I'm not going to handle you shirtless. Shut your screen. Okay. Okay, you had another one?
I do, Judge.
We are back with Mr. Tony Orozco. Court calls cause number 2019-3244, 2019-6278. Announcement of council, please.
David Nunez for the state, Your Honor. Stage is ready.
And Daniel Avalar for Roberto. Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. I apologize.
For Tony Orozco.
For Tony Orozco. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Mr. Orozco, are you there, sir?
Yes, I am.
Okay, sir. Mr. Orozco, do you see and recognize your attorney? Mr. Orozco, are you there?
Yes, right here.
Okay, sir. Do you see and recognize? Why do you keep looking back, Mr. Orozco? You do this all the time. You've done this 4 times already. Who are you looking back at?
Nobody.
Okay, you keep looking back.
Nobody.
Okay. Mr. Orozco, do you see and recognize your attorney, Mr. Avelar?
Yes.
And Mr. Avelar, do you see and recognize Mr. Orozco as the defendant in this case?
I do, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
The record reflects that both have identified each other. Okay. You want a motion to, was just the one that you wanted to withdraw, but then you withdrew your withdrawal and now we're back again for another withdrawal?
No, it's
Somebody else. Okay.
somebody else.
Okay. So you want to withdraw or Mr. Orozco wants you to withdraw, Mr. Avelar?
It's on our end. I don't know that Mr. Orozco wants me to necessarily withdraw, but the council needs a withdrawal on this case. If the court should
Okay.
be gracious enough to grant
Orozco,
that.
if I allow you to withdraw, how much time do you need to get another attorney?
He's a court appointed attorney, so I'm not sure.
Oh, he's court appointed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
I believe I'm his second lawyer.
Who was his first?
I don't recall, Judge.
I can't remember either.
Because I know when I met him in the courtroom,
Defender, Your
that
Honor.
had come up.
Let me check, Judge, real quick. Oh, well, not
I believe it was Mr. Rene Vasquez, Judge.
Okay. What kind of bond does he have on a PR bond, Miss Chacon? Is it my bond?
I'm checking that right now.
Judge, he does have a warrant.
Yes, there is a warrant. Let's see.
Yeah, here it is. Let me.
This is the one, Judge, that Mr. Avelar had gotten a good rec for him, and then he came in at the end. And you admonished him, and then he has a warrant, and he hasn't turned himself in.
A
And
warrant
then
for,
when he went to PR bond, they told him that he needed to turn himself in, and he said he wasn't going to.
oh,
So, Judge, does the court want me to remind her?
yes, please.
We had court, I don't know, a month and a half ago or so, Judge. And at that time, Judge, I believe Mr. Orozco was late. And so, he had apologized and, one thing or another, Judge. And then the court believed that Mr. Orozco was being less than forthright and quite rude. The court then ordered Mr. Orozco to turn himself in as a commitment. I believe it was a 6-day commitment or a 3-day commitment, something like that, Judge. Mr. Orozco refused. We then had a private conversation after that. And without getting into privilege,
Right.
one of the things I had said was, you need to follow the court's order. Let me know that he wasn't gonna do that.
Okay.
And we had a subsequent conversation because the warrant was still active.
Mhm.
And here we are.
Okay, okay. And Mr. Orozco continues to show attitude and disrespect to this court. Mr. Orozco, I don't want you to be late for work. What time do you have to be? Where do you work?
It's okay. I'm already late as it is. It's fine.
Where is it that you work, sir?
Instead of Valero's gas station on the west side.
Okay, sir. Which Valero's on the west side?
On right there on Mesa Festival.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, I'm gonna ask you to turn yourself in again.
And I'm sorry, I have a job. I have responsibilities out here.
Okay.
I mean, I know it's easy for you to ask me to do that, but it's not easy for me to do that.
Okay, sir. Okay. We'll have to have you arrested, sir. The bench warrant is out there. I just need to tell you, the bench warrant is out there. You'll be arrested sooner or later. That's all I can
Okay.
do. Mr. Avelar, I'll
And
go
Judge-
ahead and allow your.
You know, this bench warrant is for no reason. I haven't done nothing. You gave it to me because you said I had an attitude. I
Okay.
mean, there's no part of probation violation or anything. This is your personal problem. This is your personal problem that I have to go to jail. Not because of anything. I didn't do anything.
Okay, I have personal problems. Okay. Mr.
Yes.
You want to submit please?
I will.
Okay, very good.
Or actually, I believe the court has the order already, Judge.
The order to withdraw?
Yes.
Ms. Becky, do I have it?
We have received the motion to withdraw, Judge.
You have the order?
And yes, we have the order, but it hasn't been signed,
It's
obviously.
been signed, but is it filed, not signed?
It's filed.
I don't want to, I can't unfile it. We need one, Ms. Becky. Can you send it to Ms. Becky again, Mr. Avelar, in case Becky didn't get it, please?
Yes, ma'am. It'll right within the next.
Mr. Orozco, it's not going to go very well for you. All I can say is you need to turn yourself in, sir. That's all. It's not
Okay.
going to go well for you, sir.
I'm sorry.
It's not going to go well for you if you don't turn yourself in, sir. That's all
Well, I mean,
Okay.
I mean, that's fine. Then that's fine. I mean, I don't know what to tell you because it's just like I said, this is a personal reason. You gave me time in jail
Thank you. You may be excused.
and I didn't do nothing else.
Have a great day, sir. Thank you. You may be
You
excused.
do the thing.
Okay. Mr. Avelar, thank you so much. Please do that so you can get off the case, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
Thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed the video.